Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode illusion, that is 2530 maximum score after applying key operation, and this will be given a 0 next integer array nums and an integer k, and we have a starting score of 0, and in one operation we have to choose an index I from the nums, and we have to increase our score by nums I and replace the nums I by the C value of nums I by 3, and we have to return the maximum possible score after which we can attain after applying exactly key operations, and the ceiling function ceil value is the least integer greater than or equal to val. Okay, in the initially we are given nums as 10 10 10 10 and k is equal to 5, so we need to basically pick 5 elements and we need to maximize our score. So we'll be picking up all these 10s, and first let's say we picked up this 10, we reduced it value by 10 by 3, ceil value of 10 by 3, which is 4. Then we pick this, and so our answer comes out to be 15. Not a good example to explain, but let's consider this example. In this we are having nums as this. I'll just paste it over here. Just oh yeah. So in this we are having this as our nums. So what we can do is, firstly let's pick up the 10, and we'll be having our answer variable as 0 initially. So answer which is equal to 0, and let's pick up this 10. So we'll be adding to it to our answer, so 0 plus 10, and after this we'll be reducing 10 to it's 10 by 3 ceil value, so ceil of 10 by 3, so that is 4. Okay, and now our array will be something like okay, I'll just, yeah, 1 4 3 and 3. Now let's pick up the maximum value again, because we as we need to return the maximum score, so let's take it and say that we need to pick up the maximum value. Okay, now let's pick up 4, and our answer which will be equal to 0 plus 4, and now, oh sorry, 10 plus 4, and we'll be updating its value by ceil of 4 by 3, that is 1, and now we'll be pushing it into our array again. So our array will be something like, now it has become 1. Now we just have, oh yeah, let's decrement the k equal to 2, k equal to 1, and now we are just left with one operation. Now we need to pick the maximum element again, that is any of the three which we can pick. So we picked 3, so now answer will be updating by 14 plus 3, and I'll be updating 3 by the ceil value of 3 by 3, which is 1. Okay, and now our k becomes here 0, and let's just update this as well, 1, yeah, and k is 0 0, so I have to return my answers, and my answer is 17, which is this particular answer. Okay, now I just have to code it. Okay, for this I'll need a queue of long, let's call it maxi, so that is equal to new priority queue and of maxi as it is. So we'll be doing a long dot compare b comma a, and now let's update this maxi. So for int num in nums maxi dot add, let's typecast 1 into num into long, so multiplying it into 1l. Now let's have our variable answer, and while not maxi dot is empty, and k minus minus is greater than 0, we'll be popping off the nums, that will be equal to maxi dot poll. I'll be updating my answer by num, and then I'll be pushing maxi dot add, let's typecast first long by the ceil value of uh, math dot ceil value of num by 3.0, because it will be giving me a, otherwise it's returning an integer, and ceil value of a particular integer is the same integer, so I'm dividing it by a double. Okay, and at the end I'll just return my answer. Now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.